everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to talk about 5 ways to learn English. These are real steps that you can follow and improve your English, but you need to promise yourself that you will be consistent. So here are 5 ways to learn English easily. So you need to follow all these steps one by one every day, okay? You need to make sure that you are following all these steps every day. So your first step is going to be reading. So what you need to do first is you have to read a lot, okay? If you are not able to read a lot, start with one page, okay? And I will recommend you, if you don't like reading, so start with comic books, okay? So you need to buy some comic books and just start reading with that. So reading can help you with your pronunciation and your vocabulary. Now next step is going to be think in English. Now what you have to do, you have to insist yourself that you will think in English, okay? I know it is going to be problematic in the beginning. आपको beginning में थोड़ी बहुत problem हो सकती है because हमारे mind को बार बार हमें बोलना पड़ता है, force करना पड़ता है कि नहीं I have to think in English now. So in starting you will face problems, but after a few days you will be having it in your habits, so it's not a problem. Now your next step would be making sentences. So what you need to do, you have read a page a day, for example, okay? So there will be 8 to 10 words. The meaning of those words you don't know, right? आपको उन words का meaning नहीं पता है. You need to note down all those words and you have to Google it, ठीक है, उनकी मीनिंग्स, एंड देन व्हाट यू नीड टू डू इज यू हैव टू मेक योर ओन सेंटेंसेस. यू हैव टू थिंक दैट मैं ये सेंटेंसेस कहाँ पे यूज़ कर सकती हूँ. इन फ्यू डेज यू विल हैव अ ग्रेट वोकैबुलरी. बिलीव मी, इट रियली वर्क्स लाइक अ मैजिक. सो आई कैन नॉट इंसिस्ट यू इनफ. यू नीड टू डू दिस, okay? So watch English contents. So where you get these English contents, you can get these English contents on various platforms like Netflix, and you can watch videos on YouTube. There are thousands and thousands of videos on YouTube you can watch and improve your English. Now your last and most important step would be speaking, because speaking comes by speaking, right? अगर आपको बोलना सीखना है तो you need to speak, okay? So it's mandatory. So how you do that? So I will suggest you practice it in the evening, okay? So what you need to do, you have to give yourself 5 minutes and recall what you have done throughout the day, okay? What steps have you taken to improve your English? You need to recall everything in your mind, okay? Now second step would be give yourself any topic, okay? It can be anything you want, okay? Give yourself a topic and start speaking. If you want, आप लोग टाइमर भी लगा सकते हो like 15 minutes का, and you have to speak non-stop, whether you are speaking right, wrong or anyway, okay? Just speak your mind out, okay? So this will help you to break your hesitation, okay? So, and believe me, this works like magic. I cannot insist you enough. You have to speak for learning speaking. At last, I want to say just one thing: be consistent. Please be consistent. This is the only way you can learn, okay? Not just English, anything. So you have to be consistent. You have to do all these practice every day. आप लोग को रोज ये करना पड़ेगा. This is the only way you can improve your English or any other language you want to learn, okay? So that is it for today's video. I hope you all like this video. If you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video.